Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today, I teach you friction. In previous class, I also discussed of that chapter friction. In previous class, I say to you that is friction is our friend and our evil both, and it is some places beneficial and some places harmful. So that term say too, that is friction is our evil and friend both in different cases. So first thing, what is friction? When friction is the opposes the motion contact between two surface, that is generate the friction. It is always opposite force of the motion, means that opposes the force of motion, it slow the motion, that is say to friction. If you running in a ground, then if no friction is available here, then you stop here? No. You can imagine this? No. Your motion is continuously, are you moving forward direction? So need of friction. If a vehicle moving on the road, so if contact between tire and road, if both surfaces no friction, then that is continuously moving on the road. If comes a breaker, if needs of a brake, so apply the brake, then our surface is very smooth. In terms of friction, your mind such types of friction is generated when plain surface, a smooth surface, when roughness is not here, that is plain surface, that is plain surface, that is rough surface. That place more friction is generated, more friction, that place less friction. So you watch and see then both situation, case first that is rough surface, case second that is plain surface. So in case of rough surface, you not very fast move, and you plain surface, your speed is very high. If you watch, a bicycle is running in a plain surface, your speed is too high, but in a rough surface, means some places brakes and breakers and other things material are happen in zigzag path types, so that places you cycling, so your speed is slow, because that is rough surface, say to in technical term, in science term, say to that is rough surface. In rough surface means zigzag path, then your speed is slow. When your vehicle wheel is moved one place to another place, that place to that place, so rotating, so all are obstacle to the vehicle cycle. So that vehicle of circular cycle tire, that is obstacle. Obstacle is often in zigzag path and that wheel, so that speed is slow. But in a smooth surface, say to that is plane surface, that is say to another term is a smooth surface, a smooth surface that is very easily to move, means that is the, if you need of motion, that is friend of your friction is friend, and that places friction is your evil. When you applied more force to move in forward direction, because more friction is here in zigzag path, but in plane surface, a smooth surface, the less friction is generated, so move easily. So that case is friend of friction, and that case is evil of friction. So do you understand? If a block are pushed on the plane surface, that surface, plane or a smooth surface, that surface you push the object, that is very easily move one place to another place, because that place has less friction, no friction. That places force, if less force applied, then object is moved one place to another places. But in rough surface, that places to, if apply more force, then move very slowly. So that is the friction between contact of two surface, depend on contact on two surface, and friction is always opposite the motion, and it is applied the reverse direction of motion. That is say to name of frictional force. Okay, thank you.